Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Giant Warship Battle. We've got Team Red, Team Blue. Let's get after it. The rules of this battle are simple. 3 balloon hits sinks a warship, and the first team to sink all 3 opposing warships wins. What's up, guys? Team Blue representing strong. You got Panda, Ty, Gare, ready to do work.
Team Red, I'm Captain Cody. Kobe over here in this get up because guess what? This morning he found out he had strep throat, and guess who doesn't want strep throat?
I'm feeling confident. I think Panda's actually going to be a valuable asset.
To be honest, we put Kobe in a very high target area because we want to get him out of here.
We're actually safer with him sunk.
Yeah.
Remember, it's a team battle. It's not about winning. It's more about not losing. Loser gets taped to the column.
Ladies and gentlemen, take your positions. Let the first ball fly. Fire! Nice! Fire, Panda!
Miss.
Watch out, Cody. I'm just going for Cody, honestly.
Fire in the hole!
Miss.
Might be my favorite thing I've ever done.
Hit.
Fire ball!
Miss.
I like to throw off their sonar with just random.
Miss.
Fire ball!
Hit. Hit.
Fire ball!
Hit.
Panda's 3 for 3!
Hit. Miss.
Fire again!
Hit. Warship sunk.
There's been at one time I've been in 0 and Panda's out.
All this time I've heard you echo through my
Hard.
someone to believe in.
Hit. Warship sunk.
This was all part of the plan.
All this time I've heard you.
1 boat out on each team. 2 boats undiscovered. Firing.
Hit. Miss. Hit.
I think I hit him in the face.
In the face!
Hit.
Let's go, Red Team! Permission to sink the ship.
Granted.
Hit. Warship sunk.
Aircraft carrier, it's all we've got, but I will shoot everything I have left.
Miss.
I think they think there's a ship there, and they actually think they're hitting me. They're just spraying me with refreshing H2O. Gare threw a bomb. It exploded as it was leaving his hand. Luckily, there was no collateral damage to his ship.
Hit.
Firing!
Hit.
Aircraft carrier Cody's down to his last life. I'm looking to connect on this and then praying they miss on the next throw. Whew, comment below if you think I make it.
Firing.
Hit.
You just stopped me.
What you get for trash talking?
When the game's on the line, I'm on my prime. It's go time, boys.
Fire in the hole!
Hit. Warship sunk.
Empty the cannon! Empty the cannon! something. What? We don't have to get taped to a column. All right, I'm gonna go get the duct tape. And as we like to point out, life has consequences, and so do team battles. Let's tape somebody to a column. Let's start with Core. All
right,
Core, hop on up there, big boy. And cue the taping montage. Move that ladder! Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know about you, Gary, but it feels good to be on the ground. Can't breathe. Hey, special thanks to World of Warships for making this whole video possible. To get the game for yourself, click here. Hey, to sign up for our new t-shirt club, click right here. To see the last Dude Perfect video, click right here. Signing off for now. Core, hit him with a long distance poundage. Coach, hit him with a long distance noggin. Garrett, double hat toss. Good night, boys.
All right, seriously, let us go. Are you kidding?
Whoa!
My legs are asleep. They're not leaving us. They just left, dude.
Guys, pretty sure we could have shared a column. Team Red, love you guys.